I'm excited to be here because these aren't just any regular floors. These are really nice ceramic tiles. How did you get started doing this?
Actually, we started our business back in 2006. Believe it or not, selling from the back of my truck. We actually bought a truckload of tiles, started selling it after hours from our business, like working at another job, and got enough to open a little warehouse. 17 years later, here we are.
Okay. Now, in this entire warehouse, because there's a lot of inventory in here, what would you say is one of your favorites?
Actually, the newest thing is the quartz. The quartz that go into kitchens, into bathrooms. A lot of people are loving the grays and whites right now.
So those are the most popular?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody wants to get in contact with you and they're like, you know what, I love these floors, I love everything that you have in here, how can they do that?
The best way is actually going to our webpage, americaceramics.com. That shows you all our supplies. You could actually even view a virtual tour of our facility here. And if you have a project you've got going on through Pinterest or something that you are interested in, we can help you realize anything you want. What we do here is actually try to help our customers with our custom design, helping them design their kitchen, bathroom, flooring. Make it a lot easier for them, a lot more pleasant.
Right, because there's some businesses that they'll set you up really nice. They'll give you some nice floors in your kitchen, but this is real love that is made, that makes these houses. So,
Yeah.
So really great customer service, right?
Yes, sir.
Top of the line. We love that. So again, where can everybody find you on social media?
Go to americaceramics.com and you can find all our suppliers, all our vendors in there. And basically, if you're looking for a special design, you could type in the color of tile, the color of material you're looking for, and they'll guide you to
Wow, that easy.
That easy. Yeah.
I don't know where you can get that elsewhere, but hey, I love that. And what about your physical location?
Physical location, we're here at 4000 Fruitvale Avenue between Hageman and Rosedale.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for all of that information.
Thank you.
Make sure you stay connected with us on all social media platforms at Kern Living. That's our Instagram and our Facebook. And you can follow me at Ryan Nelson 23. We're going to look around at some of these tiles because they're absolutely beautiful. And I'll see you next time.